guys, for those who are new here, I'm Liliana. I really hope you guys had a wonderful Halloween yesterday. I can't believe today is November 1st. Here in Canada, it means that winter is coming really fast. So that's a little bit depressing. Anyway, for me, I don't like snow. But anywho, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful tile cake made out of fondant. And I'm going to show you little techniques on how to work with your edible image, and I'm also going to show you how to put your fruits in a way that they won't move on your cake. So if you guys want to learn how to make this beautiful cake, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, you can subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Without further ado, let's get to it. made this beautiful cake. I know there's many techniques out there to do tile cake, but this is the way I do it. I think it's the most simplest way to do it, and it kind of looks more realistic than a whole entire one sheet of edible paper. And I really like the 3D effect. Also, I didn't show it in the video because I didn't do it for this particular cake, but what you can do is actually paint in between both tiles, so that it gives that like kind of grout effect. So that would be something also to do. For the image, what I do is I just glue the image to fondant using piping gel. You can either buy the piping gel or make it on your own. If you want the recipe, I have it down below. And that's for that. And then what I do also, and I didn't show it on the video as well, what I do is when I prepare my pieces, I actually turn them around so the fondant is facing up, and I leave it there for a little, like 5 to 10 minutes. And what that does is that the fondant will dry a little bit and it will get hard, and it's going to be easier to put it on the cake. And just to glue it on the cake, it's just a little bit of water on your fondant and tack, 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 and there you go. And you start tiling. For the top, it's a really, really good trick that I have. Just use the cake pan that you use for your cake. So my cake was a 6-inch. So what I did is that I used a cake pan, and then I know that when I'm gonna cut the edible image and glue it on fondant, that will be the exact same size as my cake, because that's the size that I used. And for the fruits, what I did, this is like a little baker's trick that we have, is to make sure that the fruits don't move or you want them at a particular angle. Use toothpicks, or skewers, you can also use that. And then there you go, you have a beautiful cake. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want more videos like this and you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my channel. Also comment and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. So in today's video is going to be a beautiful tile cake made out of fondant. So I'm going to show you a couple techniques. Taka taka taka.